Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another organization video, and I will be focusing in the boys' room. As you can see, it was very cluttered, very out of control. So I wanted to go ahead and organize everything for them and just make it easier for them also. And then on top of that, I also wanted to give them a nice little homework corner where they can easily just sit down and do their homework and just have a little quiet area where they can do some activities. So if you'd like to know the end result, then please keep on watching. So the first place where I got started was on their homework corner. I just started off by vacuuming and just cleaning it up before I started placing everything. And you're going to see a line on their wall. I don't know what that is. I'm assuming it's paint because it didn't want to come off, but just in case you guys are wondering, I know I'm going to get asked, but I started off by adding this calendar. My older son Joshua, he's 8, and he's always asking what day of the week it is and what day of the month it is. So I bought these at Target Dollar Spot, and I did end up buying the little holder that they come in, but I could not find it. So I ended up just thumbtacking them to the wall and then using double-sided tape for the days so that I can easily change it out as the months and days pass by. And then the next thing I added was this clip display. I thought that this would be good for their flashcards or to hang their homework packets as they get them. And I added that to the other side of the wall. And then I picked up this dry erase board from the 99cents only store, and I thought this would be good for their little math problems, or when my son needs to do some equations, this would be perfect. The next thing I added was from IKEA, and this holds little buckets that I thought would be perfect for their crayons, their markers, and their pencils. I also picked up this tabletop paper roller from IKEA, which I thought would be perfect for the boys to sketch on. And then the last thing that I added were these cork boards. I also picked these up from the 99cents only store, and I thought these would be perfect to display their work when they bring it home from school or when they do little things here at the house. And then I moved on to their main toy area, and they actually decluttered a lot of toys already, but these are the ones that they just would not budge on. So I ended up separating them into 4 separate cubbies, and that way they're not all out in the open and it just looks more organized. Once I was done separating the toys, I wanted to go ahead and label them. So I picked these up from the Target dollar spot and I used a chalk marker to write on them. And then I moved on to the bottom of the shelf, and all I did was just dust it off and display their toy cars. The next thing I did was organize their books. The boys have a lot of them. They love to read, so I wanted to place these on top of the shelf to just make it easier for them to grab and then also put away when they're done. I wanted an area where they can hang their backpacks, so I just grabbed some command hooks and then placed them on the wall. Alright you guys, here it is. This is the final look. What do you guys think? I love how much more organized it looks and how put together everything is. And the boys even got their homework corner that they had been requesting. Hopefully it stays like this for a while. Let me know down below what you guys think and what your favorite part of the organizing was. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you guys want to see more organization videos, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel so that you can see more future videos from me. Again, thank you guys for all of the support, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.